Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your own recovery board mounting plates to your roof rack. So I got this one sort of fitted in here, got the wing nuts on there. I just wanted to check my alignment here. I had to drill this hole. These are 5/16 4-inch bolts. Got them from Home Depot, 5/16 wing nuts. These are going to be what you need here. This is a 12-inch mending plate, Everbuilt, zinc plated, Home Depot, $2 or $3 each, and 5/16 4-inch bolts, 5/16 wing nuts. You can buy this kit for mounting your recovery boards to your Pioneer tray, but it's like $150 and it doesn't come with locks. So I think the kit's like $200 in total. This is going to be like $20. The mounting point to the Pioneer system is going to be here, and you may have to drill one here. I haven't put this up yet to see if I can get away with just using that hole on the mending plate. I'm hoping that works, because I mean I drilled this hole. It's not that bad, you can do it, but I'd like to avoid it if possible. When I bought this Pioneer tray, I noticed that they were using this special kind of nut, and I was wondering if I could buy or find these nuts without having to go through Pioneer or any of the other companies, because they're very expensive for their accessories. I mean, they're like 10 times as much as you could do it yourself. And I finally did at Home Depot. So these are going to be what you need here. If you go to Home Depot, they're called super struts, and they're for securing brackets and threaded rods. They call them a cone nut. But you can find these in Home Depot, or I'm going to put the company's info, if it focuses. It's www.tnb.com. Thomas and Betts is the company. So the two sizes that are going to work. This is just a piece of plastic. It comes off with pliers. It's really easy to get that off, but I guess it goes into like electrical, it goes into like trays, and then you can plug in little rods to hang lights and stuff. So, but these are what, when I was putting the kit together, I noticed there's got to be a way to get these, and I found them. So there's two sizes. The smaller one is a quarter inch by 10, and then this bigger one, I want to say this is a 3/8. Yeah, it's a 3/8 by 10. They also have a 1/2 inch, but I found that's too big for the Pioneer tray. So I'll show you how this works. This is the Pioneer tray. I've got 3 free crossbars and 2 bars on the side. So you can see there I put my awning up. I'll do another video about that. But the way that these are going to work, these channel nuts, is there's an opening right here, and then you slide them in, and then there's a smaller channel here. You slide them in, and then you put your bolt with your washer and whatever hardware you're trying to attach into this channel. On the outside, you're gonna have to take this apart if you have this edge rail like I do. Not a big deal, but when I got the awning in, I had to kind of finagle the rest of it together. So I'm going to be putting the Maxtrax on this section and just putting a center strut and putting that together. The one that they sell from Pioneer connects in here, and there's a bolt that goes up and down, and it goes into this lip. There's these lips on the side. But it's like $150 without locks. This is the final Maxtrax Home Depot hacker bracket. Again, this is a 12-inch Everbuilt zinc-plated mending plate. I had to drill one hole to get the alignment right for the holes on the recovery boards. I test fitted this. This is fine. Unfortunately, this might actually be better, but this is a nylock nut. Again, these are 5/16 bolts, 4-inch bolts. Put a washer on each side. I didn't have two extra nylock nuts, so I put just a regular nut with a lock washer. Again, washers on each side. This is a 1/4 inch, by I think 1-inch bolt, and then 1/4 inch super strut channel nut. All this stuff I got at Home Depot. I'm gonna guess that this whole project is $20. Again, 2 wing nuts gonna go here. So here is the bracket channel nut. It actually fits really nice. And then they're gonna go into these holes here on the recovery boards. And I'm gonna put a lock, a firearm lock, to keep it locked to the vehicle. Wing nuts holding it down. Hopefully that's enough. So let me put this together and we'll check it out. So here's the finished product. You can see the wing nuts, got some good washers. Torqued, these are like springs almost, these polyethylene. By the way, these are the Costco recovery boards. About $500 cheaper. $500 cheaper than the Maxtrax. These things are awesome. I think they're totally worth the money. 4 points there. And this is not going anywhere. When I'm driving, it'll be another test to see, but you can kind of see the bracket in there, and yeah, this is a nice sturdy setup. Perfect. Less than $20. Don't have to pay almost $200 for the official marketed kit. Here's the top view. You can see it fits in here. It's almost about 1/8 of an inch gap there. And she's perfect. So I'm going to call this little DIY another wonderful success. Please like and subscribe.